Three-phase mechanical limit switch debugging method. This is an asynchronous, three-phase controller. This is a mechanical limit switch. Connect the motor wire and limit switch wire to their respective interfaces, then connect them to the mechanical limit switch. Connect the power supply, and then turn on the emergency stop switch. Now press the up button once. After reaching the desired position, press the down button once to confirm the upper limit. Press the down button once. After reaching the desired position, press the up button once to confirm the lower limit. Limit setting successful. Let's learn how to match the controller. There is a matching button here. Press it once, and you will hear a beep. Press any button on the controller. The controller is successfully paired.